Letter A. All people should be informed. Before removing any damaged pipe, what you should do?
Lowest.
Always open the plug at the lowest point. You should drain the pipeline.
Yes.
Flying materials. Which safety glass you will use?
Safety glasses.
Shock resistant safety glasses. Okay, this is nothing but safety goggles. Can be fabricated maximum up to 6 meter only. Because easy to carry, easy to transport. More than 6 meter, not so easy. Well and fitted joints like PVC pipe joints, water and steel. Bend pipe.
Hydraulic job.
Bend pipe. What is this used for?
Bending pipe.
Bending. Okay, hydraulic bender. This is what. Cutting internal thread is called tapping.
Tapping.
Tapping. External is called threading.
What tools used for unscrewing?
For removing threaded pipes, always we use pipe wrench. Next step after cutting pipe for threading is deburring. Deburring or reaming. Or deburring. Any both are correct. What is the main concern for leaders to perform lifting? Weight of the material is the main concern.
Yes.
Only. This is called beam trolley. Beam trolley. See here, lifting clamp. No, this is not lifting clamp. This is not high rope. This is not shackle. So what is that? Beam trolley. Okay, who work in a restricted area? Only authorized persons are supposed to work in a restricted areas. Hammer is used for striking purpose. Why do we use this pipe fitting for what?
For 90 degrees.
To make
disconnection.
Make a branch connection at 90 degrees. Because this is 90 degrees.
Flow meter, pressure gauge. Pressure gauge. Pedometer. What is?
What is used to pressurize while performing hydro testing?
Yes, this one is pressure.
Hydrostatic pump. Okay?
Big valve.
James, but what type?
Horizontal.
Read the question properly, What type of valve is this? Flange type. Teflon tape is made by what material? Plastic. PTFE. PTFE, polytetra fluoroethylene. That is why it is also called as PTFE tape. Batteries always dangerous chemical inside. Acid will be there. So to protect you from acid, face shield is the most important. You need to protect your face and eyes first. Two safety goggles, not face shield. Clear? Okay. Safety goggles is most important than face shield because face shield still there is a chances of liquid can go from inside the sides. Inspected
Before it's used.
before each use. Every time you use, you should inspect the handle. This question came up. It's going to get an exam.
What is the formula?
This one also came. This question also. How do you calculate threaded pipe spool?
That's my name.
How much pipe required? Plus, then you are adding more.
Yes, you're adding the take out of the and go in the school line.
Ayos. If you add, it will become more, right? You need to minus the fitting line.
Nice na.
The correct answer is letter E.
Letter A, all people should be informed. Before removing any damaged pipe, what you should do?
Lowest.
Always open the plug at the lowest point. You should drain the pipeline. Flying materials. Which safety glass you will use?
Safety glasses.
Child resistant safety glasses. Okay, this is nothing but safety goggles. You can be fabricated maximum up to 6 meter only. Because easy to carry, easy to transport. More than 6 meter, not so easy. Well and fitted joints like PVC pipe joints, water and steel. Bend pipe.
Hydraulic job.
Bend pipe. What is this used for?
Bending pipe.
Okay, hydraulic bender. This is what. Cutting internal thread is called tapping.
Tapping.
Tapping, external is called threading. This is
What tools used for unscrewing?
pipe wrench. For removing threaded pipes, always we use pipe wrench. Pipe wrench. Next step after cutting pipe for threading is deburring. Deburring or reaming, or deburring. Any both are correct. What is the main concern for leaders to perform lifting? Weight of the material is the main concern,
Yes.
Only this is called beam trolley, Beam trolley. See here, lifting clamp. No, this is not lifting clamp. This is not bicycle. This is not cycle. So what is that? Beam trolley. Okay, who work in a residential area? Only authorized persons are supposed to work in a restricted areas. Hammer is used for striking purpose. Why do we use this pipe fitting for what?
For 90 degrees.
To make a branch measurement 90 degrees. Because this is 90 degrees.
Flow meter, pressure gauge. Pressure gauge. Pedometer. What is?
What is used to pressurize while performing hydrotesting?
Yes, this one is pressure.
Hydrostatic pump.
Hydrostatic pump.
Aywa.
Okay?
Big bulb.
James, but what type?
Horizontal.
Read the question properly, huh? What type of ball is this? Flat style. Teflon tape is made by what material?
Plastic.
PTFE. PTFE, polytetra fluoroethylene. That is why it is also called as PTFE tape. Batteries, always dangerous chemical inside. Acid will be there. So to protect you from acid, face shield is the most important. You need to protect your face and eyes first. Two safety goggles, not face shield. Clear? Okay. Safety goggles is most important than face shield because face shield still there is a chance of liquid can go from inside the side. Safety. Inspected before each use. Every time you use, you should inspect the handle. This question came up. Before you get an exam.
What is the formula?
This one also came. This question also. How do you calculate threaded pipe screw?
That's my name.
How much pipe required? If you press, then you are adding more.
Yes, because you're adding the take off of the go in the school.
If you add, it will become more, and you need to minus the fitting line.
Nice, na?
The correct answer is letter E.
PTFE.
Safety goggles or mono goggles are both outside. If it is not there, then face shield is the right answer. Okay?
All of them.
Hot bolting activity. You know hot bolting activity?
Yeah.
What is hot bolting? Removing one by one bolt. Okay? On the line pipeline. Removing one bolt by one on the line pipeline.
Slowly.
One permit. Remember, hot bolting can be done only on low pressure lines, not high pressure. Clear? Question will come up. Sometimes they are asking about hot bolting. This question also came. What is the acronym of
Welding neck.
WNRF? Welding neck race phase, huh? Don't get confused, huh? Well, neck flat face. This is IBM, this is HB.
Nakahiga ka bakit? Nag-eats nga yung nakahiga. Yan ang ayaw.
See, remember this question, sometimes they are asking this question. If you not see the image properly, you need to ask the person to zoom it out, so that you can see bigger image, so that you can ask. What should you do?
Isolate the
First of all, you need to isolate the power supply. If you don't know how to where is the power supply, then you should use non-conductive pole. Any non-conductive pole to remove the person from the power supply. This question also came. What must you do if a person is injured in restricted area?
Try non-entry rescue.
Yes.
Try.
Thank you. You are correct. You should always try non-entry rescue. Because restricted area you are not supposed to enter. Understand? If someone is injured, that means there is some problem over there. There is some danger. So you should only try a non-entry rescue.
CO2 extinguisher.
Read the question properly, huh?
Electric fan, solar fan, CO2 extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher, but electrical fire, always remember CO2. Always. Some these kinds of tricky questions will come.
The letter is very clear.
Building, we need hot work. Vessel means confined space, we need confined space permit. So hot and confined space. Cleaning storage tank, always we need confined space entry permit. Without entry permit, we cannot enter inside, huh? A is the right answer, yeah.
Who must determine?
Who can decide special measures are required for to work or to issue a permit? Safety representative. Safety representative is the one who will decide what are the safety.
No problem.
What is required?
Confined space, huh? This question will come. Lot of process. Remember, before you do lockout, you should always notify to the persons who will be affected in that area. If you lock that, if you isolate that equipment, so always notify will come first. Notification should be given to the all the affected employees in the department. Remember, first you need to notify and final you need to verify. Verify that you isolated it correct or not. Understand? So notify, verify will come first. Will come. Authorized employee only can lock and toggle. Same person repeated many times, huh? Only the person who puts lock on is only the person you can remove the lock. What actions are expected to happen if you do not follow the current code of procedure? You will not get headache. Why you get headache? Equipment is isolated or not? Attempt normal startup. Okay? How do you verify? By switching it on. By switching it on, you can always check it is isolated properly or not. Clear? On the tag you should have information name, batch number, the telephone of the person who is using the lock. Who lock. So all the above. The tag should have this information first with the telephone number. So that in emergency, the person can call this telephone number and he can call this person to remove the lock.
Yes.
How often should a safety footwear be inspected? Prior to each use, every time you use, you should inspect. Who is responsible for taking care of PPE? Employee. You are the one who is responsible.
Safety goggles.
Always try particle number, safety goggles. Chemicals classes, also safety goggles. Face protection. Safety glasses are now face protection. Both will not cover your eyes properly. How will you know if you need extra PPE? From risk assessment. From risk assessment. This guy, if you need to work at height, okay, you need to know what are the risks are there. When you are working at height, always there is a hazard called falling hazard, right? Reading equipment always should be inspected before use. Butterfly valve. How to remove butterfly valve? Which position? Closed or open? Closed position. Closed position. If you keep it open, you can. Who should provide you with PPE? Usually employer, but here the option is no employer. So supervisor is the next person who is authorized. So he should provide. Sometimes depends on the options, answer changes. Clear?
Shut down.
Both A and C should be done, huh? Need to close all the walls and also shut down power supply. Then only you can do maintenance.
Black pipe is oil.
Oil and gas. What is the first step before doing hydro test? Just plan. Just plan and approval. Should be there. What is the name of internal components of the wall? Frame. Frame is will have the internal components.
The biggest.
This one I forgot to do. The biggest size of pipe can be threaded is 6 inches. As per Aramco, the biggest pipe you can thread is maximum pipe size. You can thread is below 6 inches. 6 inches, huh? Don't try. Who is responsible for providing workers with safe workplace and PPE?
Employer.
Employer. Certificate permit system third copy will be safety department. IDLH stands for dangers to immediately danger to life and health, life or health. Immediately. Before high safety equipment, you need to conduct energy control analysis. You need to analyze everything. Last step, always attend the startup again. And you need to check whether all the equipment is correct. Response will protect you against hazardous fumes. Yes or no?
No.
No. Say hard hats will protect you voltage up to
20,000.
class A. 2,200 class B 20,000. Okay? Only falling on the side will not protect you from electricity. You should not wear loose gloves and dust clothing. Rotating equipment, remember. Lathe and drills are rotating equipment.
Which of the following policies is
External bars means outside. File. Remember, only internal can be used for reaming or deburring. Reamer tool or deburr tool. External, remember, file should be used. Teflon tape always clockwise. Counterclockwise is minimum 4, maximum 7, 4 to 7. Clear? Teflon tape should be rounded, minimum 4 racks, maximum up to 7, not more than that. Pipe support for long distances always 6 to 8 feet. Okay? This is only for pipelines, huh? Pipelines. Long distances will go. Distance can be maintained 6 to 8 feet. Supporting distance should be 6 to 8 feet. This is called pipeline compound. How to remove PVC joint? Apply heat with blow dryer. Same question I will repeat it in different. Black pads are mainly used for
Water. Water.
black pads are mainly used for gas lines.
Just line.
Black pipes are mainly used for gas lines.
Still or
Steam and water is used for
Oil and gas.
Oil and gas. Knocking sounds in pipelines are usually a sign of cavitation. Cavitation means? Cavitation means? Before changing cutting head, cutting wheel, or binder, always re-energize the operation. Okay, that means you need to switch on the, you can remove the power supply from the running.
pipe. Threaded plunge. Threaded plunge.
Threaded plunge. Hydroflushing is the method which is used for internal cleaning of pipe spools.
Or the plug place.
For a flat face flange, the gasket should be
Inside face to face. Face to face.
OD as the flange. Okay? Same as the OD, the gasket also should be like that. Same as the OD of the flange. Flat face gasket or full face gasket. Should
Piping in the meter close. Now where goes your
ISO with pipe dimension and valve.
What's happening? Ano yan?
Center to pipe.
Center of fitting, he's asking 0.3. 0.3 this one. From here to here. Center of fitting to end of pipe. Okay, see. What medium you use for hydro testing? Water. During hydro testing, pressure required temperature should be 32 meters. Hydro testing, what is the signboard you need to use?
Barricade and warning signs.
Barricade and warning sign. What must be on the back side of pressure gauge? Calibration date sticker. This person will come up. Rather get backside. Should be there. What should be there? Temporary test paints or blinds should be identified by what color? Paints and blinds for hybrid testing.
Red color.
Yes,
Should be identified by painting with red color.
Five joint glue. Five glue.
I've tried compound always remember to have PVC cement. Guys, and get trained in using EMBR current. Okay, you should always ask your seniors and ask them to get trained. What is the purpose of PPE?
Self-protection. Beautiful. Ganito.
Tackle in lifting operations.
Lifting. What is the
To enhance the load to the sling.
Yes.
Okay?
System.
Carbon steel.
Yes. The use of screwdriver.
Screws and tighten the screws.
Aywa.
This question came up. This question came. This one also came for gas tank. Before taking carbon steel, always ensure preheat.
Preheat pairs.
Lining.
Yeah.
Something we call the melted material left after gas cutting. Slag.
Acceptable overall tolerance for 5 days.
Minus 2.
2.
Plus or minus 2. Tolerance always.
The distance between the threads, one thread is called
Pitch.
pitch.
One thread to another thread distance is called pitch. This is rigging is a safe operation used between the load lifting and lifting equipment. Rigging.
Before lifting,
Before lifting the load, the hoistment of the crane should be horizontal. Okay, that should be 90 degrees. No, that should be plumb. Plumb means straight, 90 degrees. The hoistment of the crane should be plumb always.
technician K and any other should be.
Whenever the crane is not used, mobile cranes or cranes, okay, the crane driver should remove the keys. Understand? You should not leave the keys inside, you should not give the keys to another person. Okay, you should always remove the keys. Out of order side. Operators shall not operate when the crane inspection tag is out of order. That means something is damaged, so you should not operate the crane. Cranes must be inspected before lifting any object. What is this? What cranes are used in car garages? Mobile cranes. Car garages. Yesterday we discussed, right? Small floor crane oils.
Yes.
Okay, it's used in car garages for lifting engines.
Great entire structure is usually wheel.
Powered industrial truck. Forklift. Train and vans are operate the forklift.
Pre-use inspection.
Pre-use inspection should be done before using chain hoist. Any lifting equipment, Before you use any chain hoist, you should check any vibrations are there, any noises are there, any
All of the above.
damages are there. All of the above should be is the answer. Any one is there, no chain hoist cannot be used. Round bars, for lifting round bars we use pipe tops. Pipe tops.
Pipe down.
Pipe tops always should be used in pairs. Okay? For lifting layers, 1, 2 should be used for lifting bars. That's why it is called in pairs.
The chain is
Kinked. Kinked means
similar shape.
finish, we will finish this, then we will go for lunch, Then we will come at 1 o'clock for the exam. Mostly maybe it will take about 10 minutes more.
Currently provided
Lifting pipes
pipes
and tubes.
or any other similar shape.
Type C lifting book.
Yeah.
Okay? Easy to lift pipes. Just insert and lift. Also use in pipes. Whenever the chain hoist always strikes, whenever it strikes, what you should do? You should first apply force to undo. I mean, to loose. Make it loose first. Okay, don't apply force to continue. Apply force to undo. I mean, apply force to loose it, not to tight. Signal man should stand where? Signal man should be train driver, so that the signaling can be done properly, the lifting can be done properly.
Before we can select SWL uplifting device equipment.
All of the above.
This one all of the above. All of the above. All of the above. Weight of the load, center of gravity.
Weight of the load. Only after blowing the workshops we use alloy grade 80 chain strings. Alloy grade 80. Always lifting with the horizontal degrees of 30 degrees is more safe. Okay, and more strength. The angle of the lifting slings is 30 degrees. Then the strike.
No picture ah.
Yes. You should place dash on hard hat.
Actually, since they get
Reflective tape. Reflective tape. Say there is a reflective PVC. PVC footwear. Moisture. Yes, moisture. PVC footwear,
What
yeah.
is the common?
What is the most common gas used for fuel gas cutting stand? Acetylene.
The following gas is very
Which of the following gas is very easy gas? Acetylene. If someone left, keep the cylinder in sleeping position, you should always wait for 24 hours to use it back again, keeping it upright position. 24 hours, huh? Person did not care, but just for information. Decomposition of acetylene is always done taken by heating. Huh? If you keep the cylinder, acetylene cylinder under the sunlight, okay, because of the heat from the sunlight, the gas will start evaporating. This is called decomposing. Understand? That's why it's always suggested to keep under shelter. Filled with calcium silicate chemical. Calcium silicate. Calcium silicate. Cylinders. The cylinder steel is filled with water stock. This person did not care, but for your info. Color of acetylene cylinder. Maroon.
Spark lighter.
Spark lighter.
Yes. Ngayon kasi pagkatapos na, ngayon kasi
What happens?
Josh. Start.
About 24% oxygen level.
Start the fire.
It will start the fire.
Yes.
It is